Yo, what's up guys, this is Makoy here, the first beat effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you guys two patterns that improve my technicality. Now each pattern has different tempos, so I want to teach them to you guys step by step, from slower or from slowest up to the fastest that we can do. So yep, that's it. I want you guys to achieve, well, after this video, I hope you guys can achieve two things. First one will be the basic, which is and then second one will be the, well, my favorite, TBTKPF. Yeah. A lot of you were asking me to do the TKK tutorial. I'm really not a master of it because I skipped it. It's more, instead of, I did yeah. Right, so in order for you to learn this pattern, you need to have the basics first. You will need to have the kick drums, the hi-hat, rimshot, and the PF snare. So for the first part, all you need to have is bass or kick drum, hi-hat, rimshot. That's it. First off, we are going to talk about the basic technical pattern. That will be the so I want you to follow the pattern that I'm going to provide below. Alright, so let's do the slowest. It's alright, so we are going to speed that up for a little bit. So let's start with the slowest, and then let's move to the fastest beat, that, or as fast as we could. Alright, so it will sound like slowest. Gets? Okay, just keep on doing the slowest one first, so that you'll get used to it faster. Once you already get a hang of it, then come back here, then try to speed it up a little bit until you reach the fastest one that you can reach. Alright, second part second pattern will be the TBTKPF. Alright, so I want you to observe the pattern. It's all the same, but the only difference is the tempo itself. It will sound like now I want you to feel the rhythm first, so that it'll be easier for you to cope up. Just feel the rhythm. Alright, so yep, there you go, guys. I really do hope that you learned something from me today. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. And if you have other requests, please let me know. Comment them down below so that I can read them and I can do them for you guys. And tomorrow will be Spider Horse versus Gotcha. That will be my another reaction video, so stay tuned. I hope you learned something from me today. I'm really happy to share some technicality patterns with you. Now, if you notice, my the quality of my video is not that really great right now. It's because my memory is so full. I have to edit some videos that I took when I traveled in Bacolod City and meet a lot of great beatboxers there, kids 18 years old and below, and 18 years old and up. So some pioneers and some new ones, or new school beatboxers. Oh my goodness, all of them are really great. So yeah, see you tomorrow, and my apologies for the quality of this video. I just need to get this tutorial out, man, so that you will be able to learn something. Yeah, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Peace.